Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. My name is 𝗃𝙃, and in today's video I'm going to share with you my everyday makeup routine. So if you want to know more about it, or if you want to know more about the products that I used, just keep on watching. Hi again. First thing that I do is I sanitize my hands using alcohol just to make sure I have clean hands before touching my face. I have here my blur stick from Careline, and I'm gonna use it to prime my face before putting concealer or foundation, and I'm just gonna blend it using my finger. For concealer, I'm using this Fit Me concealer from Maybelline to hide those dark under eyes and some blemishes that are visible on my skin, and I'm just gonna blend it using my finger. For my eyebrows, I'm using this eyebrow kit from Bilena, and I'm just gonna fill in my brows using the closest shade from the palette. So I'm just gonna fill in some gaps there and blend it using 𝗚cie. And the same goes on the other side. I'm just gonna fill in my brows, not really exaggerating, just want a natural look. So that's it. I'm gonna brush it using my 𝗚cie and just gonna retouch if I'm not satisfied. For the powder, I'm using this final powder from Nichido, and I really love this product because it's very affordable. I've been using this powder ever since I started wearing makeup, so I really love it. Next, I'm gonna use this Squadlet mini palette from Squad Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna use the lightest shade for my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna extend it to my nose line just to make it look thinner. Yeah. I'm just gonna use the same shade for my bronzer, and I just grabbed a bigger brush for this one. For my cheeks, I'm using this Colourplay multi-use mousse from Happy Skin in the shade Peach Bomb, and I'm gonna put some on my cheeks. And I'm gonna blend it using a brush. Blend, blend, blend. Period. Oh, I needed to put powder because I think it's too much. And I'm gonna curl my eyelashes using an eyelash curler, of course. And I'm gonna grab this Lash Sensational from Maybelline New York. This is my favorite mascara. Next, I have here my strobe stick from Careline, and I use this to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, and my chin. Oof, I forgot to blend that a while ago. Okay, I also used this on my inner corner just to brighten up my eyes. And next, I'm using this color tint from Colourette in the shade 𝘁𝘁. Yeah. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, I used to love 𝘁𝘁, pero ito, nakahanap po ako ng papalit sa kanya for my everyday makeup look. And this is 𝘁𝘁. This is my new favorite. So I'm just gonna put it on my lips. Arte mo, girl. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.